welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at one of the nearest floating market in Bangkok. So without further ado, let's check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, guys. Let's go! Before we going all through the market, so I'm going to have a breakfast here. So in front of me is some quail eggs, so I'm gonna take it for breakfast, guys. Okay guys, we bought avocado juice. Let's try. I think they mix with some other fruits, not only avocado, because the taste of avocado just little. Okay, so as I mentioned that we're gonna have breakfast with this quail eggs, so let's just try. They fry these quail eggs and add some pepper on it. Let's try one. It's too salty. I think they add more salt into it. Aroy mak, because they don't give us any chopsticks, so we're going to use this one, guys. Okay, last bite. Wow, look at this. Quail eggs and some cabbage. Okay guys, so I have now full energy after breakfast, so let's walk around here, guys. Let's go. So this place is really interesting. They have so many foods here, including the street sushi and some Thai dessert, and also they have so many nice places for lunch here. So I'm gonna go all the way here to see everything, and I'm gonna try so many foods here, guys. So that's why I don't want to eat from the morning, so I can eat so many foods. So I'm so excited. Do you ever try this burnt coconut, guys? It seems so strange, but maybe I'm gonna try it later on. Here have so many fruits, people buying. We have some omelets. And this is one of the Thai dessert made from the coconut. Yes, I just tried this peanut. It's really nice and crispy. So if you come here, you're gonna try and you should buy from this lady. Kun cha e ka?
จ้าเอ๋
Cha
ค่ะ
e. Okay, this cha e. Kun cha e. Okay, they have from 100 to 200 and more. Yeah. So please come and try her everything here.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Okay.
Oh, I just gotta know. Will we live forever? I gotta know. Will I let you go? Oh, baby, I just gotta know. I just gotta know. Will you be here forever? And if I let you go? Oh, baby, I just gotta
เท่าไหร่คะโอเค300 บาทอร่อย อร่อยมากใช่ Wow guys, they are cooking and traveling. Wow, so amazing. Woo. Wow. Nice. They changed the location. Guys, this is really awesome place for you to visit in Bangkok because you can see people, how can people cooking on the canal and then just traveling with their boat over there. Wow, that's really amazing. You should come here, guys. You should come here. Okay guys, so if you are in Bangkok, please try to visit this floating market. And if you don't know the place, I'm gonna put the link on the description below. So that's all for video for today. Please like, share to your friends, comment below and subscribe guys the channel. And see you again in the next episode. I'm gonna take you to more nice places in Bangkok. So see you, bye bye.